Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your TV. First, unplug all external devices from your TV, like USB drives, gaming consoles, sound systems, and so on. After unplugging them, press the home button to open the dashboard and navigate down to Settings. In Settings, go to the Installation section. In Installation, scroll down to First Time Installation, which is basically the factory reset operation on your TV. Once you select this option, choose Yes and wait until the factory reset completes, which usually takes about a minute or two. And that's it. Now we see the language selection screen, which means the TV was fully reset to factory settings. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.